is there a natural way to control aphids on Tuscan kale? And this is Mary from Bronx, New York. So what do you think about that, Mary?
Well, I think with so aphids are getting on, there's a variety of plants aphids can get on. Some of them are very specific to the plants.
Yeah.
But with aphids, you can squish them, okay?
You squish them.
You can get powerful water stream, spray them off. Those are two really easy ways, but it takes a little bit of effort to stay on top of them.
It's gonna take a little effort, it definitely is. But she's heard about using lime or sprinkling a flour and baking soda mixture. Yeah, sometimes they work, but they will change the pH of the soil. So that could be an issue.
They're
you know what I
going
mean?
to take it either way, right?
Yeah,
So
especially the baking soda.
the thing that I like to use when it comes to natural pest control, especially for aphids, is I mix up neem oil. And so it's 1.5 teaspoons neem oil, half a teaspoon some kind of soap like Castile or Dawn, and a quart of water.
So a little surfactant.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
and that does, it's not gonna get every single one, but it's a natural way. You don't have to feel bad about ingesting. You're gonna want to eat your kale.
Sure.
So
Yeah.
you won't hurt yourself or your friends.
Right. No, I'm with that. Yeah. So yeah, neem oil we know works. You know.
Yeah.
Insecticidal soap, something else that you can use as well.
I was just going to say, I would be really cautious about using lime and baking soda.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't do that. Yeah. And anytime you're going to be using any type of pesticides, read and follow the label, on that. But natural, get the water hose out. Knock them off, or I don't know if I could squish them. We'll let Mary squish them. I don't know about that one.